In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes in Xero projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear professional quote straight from your project so your pricing and scope are aligned. First, open Xero and head to projects from the main navigation. This takes you into the workspace where all your jobs live. If you have a lot going on, choose all projects to see the full list. Find and open the project you want to quote for. This ensures the quote automatically links to the right job and pulls through relevant details. Inside the project, look for the quote option and select it to start a new quote. Xero now asks how you want to build it. You can base the quote on tasks and estimated expenses or on a single project amount. Using tasks and estimated expenses is great when you've already set up task rates and cost estimates and want them to flow through to the quote, so choose that here. Next, decide how you want the items to appear on the customer-facing document. Under Display Selected Items on Quote, as you'll see choices like individual items, combined item, combined tasks and combined expenses, combined tasks and individual expenses, or individual tasks and combined expenses. Pick individual items if you want full, line-by-line transparency for each task and expense. This is helpful when clients expect detailed breakdowns or when you want to make scope clear. For a clean subject line, select Use Project Name. This quickly fills the quote title using your project's name and keeps your documents consistent. If your organization prefers a naming convention, you can adjust it later within the draft. Now choose Save and Open Draft Quote. Xero generates the draft so you can review totals, tax, and descriptions before sending. Take a moment to check formatting and units. Small tweaks here can prevent back and forth with your client. In the draft, set the expiration date. You can choose today, in 7 days, in 14 days, or in 30 days. Select. In 30 days if that matches your standard terms. Clear expiry dates create urgency and reduce the risk of old pricing being accepted later. When you're happy, click Send. A message window opens so you can tailor the email that accompanies the quote. You can edit the message to set expectations, highlight what's included, or add any approval instructions. Keep it concise and professional. When everything looks good, click. Send again to finalize and deliver the quote to your client. That's it. You've created and sent a quote directly from Xero projects, using your tasks and estimated expenses to keep pricing accurate and your scope clear.